Hi guys, today I will explain about how to detach audio in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy, and you can see I already opened my timeline of Clipchamp. Now the first thing I will do here is, I will import my video to which I want to detach the audio. So for importing the video, we need to click on the option Import, and here, Import your video. So just for an example, I import this video. Now, in order to add it in the timeline, take your mouse cursor and click on this plus icon. Then it will be added in the timeline. Now I will take this timeline from the beginning so you can see the audio is not separate. It's attached with my video. Now if I play the video, then you can see no separate audio. So how can I detach it for separating the video? Take your mouse cursor on the video and do a right click from your mouse. And here you can see the option of audio. Click on it. And here you can see the option of detach. Just click on it. Now the audio is detached and also save in my computer. Now if I click on this audio and click on the option delete, it will be deleted and also detach. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.